Hello children, welcome to the craft session. Today we will make Diwali diya. For that we need A4 size color paper. I choose brown because the color of diya is brown. You can take any bright color like pink color, dark pink. This type of shades you can take. So let's start make Diwali diya with paper. For decoration also it is very nice. If you make many diyas and put it in your home, it will look nice, decorative. So let's start to make Diwali diya. For that we need this small circle shape object to make circles. So I will make circle like this. See, if I make it close, you can see I made a circle. Now this way I will make many circles in one page. As much as possible I will make with the help of this. See how I am making. Okay children, see circles. Now I will cut it. See how with the help of scissor I will cut the edges, and this way I will cut and make 6 circles. How many circles? 6. See children, 6 pieces of circle I cut. Now I will fold it. How will I fold? You can see, very simple. I will fold it like this. Each and every circle I will fold like this way. Each and every circle to be made like this. Okay? Press it properly. If you not press it properly, it will be not look perfect. So press it properly and do it. Children, you can see how I folded this. Okay, now I need little shiny yellow paper for make diyas light. For make diyas light, we need gorgeous yellow shade paper. And one paper I fold it little shape and then I cut it. See how I am cutting? See properly. I just very simple. I always use simple way for you because you are very small kids. See how I get this, and now I will turn it and again I will cut it in from this side. So I get 2 sides. Hope you saw and understand. If you see my videos again and again, you will understand it nicely. Now this portion I need little small, so again I will cut it and make it small. Together you will cut, so it will cut the same edges. See, for diya I made it. Now I will paste it. How will I paste? I need Fevicol. For pasting things we need Fevicol. See, in this one portion I will paste Fevicol and I will paste it like this. See, now again this portion, next portion of the paper, same way I will paste. Please see properly. Now next portions left over place I will put Fevicol and then again I will paste it. See, this way I will paste all the papers one by one. It is pasting nicely. See. Now, see children. Okay. Now little, what I will do, I will open it with hands. Press little bit, all the corners we have to press. Okay, see, now what I have to do, we will make light. Without light, the eye is not over, it is incomplete. So we have to paste light for diya. For that we have to paste first diya's portion and then we have to fit it here. Children, see how decorative and gorgeous the diyas are. You can make this type of diyas for your Diwali decoration. You can make small threads on it and hang it on your walls also. It will look very nice. इन्हीं दियों की तरह आपके जीवन में भी ढेर सारी खुशियाँ आए, इसी आशा के साथ हैप्पी दिवाली इन एडवांस एंड वी विल मीट आफ्टर दिवाली वेकेशन फॉर न्यू क्राफ्ट एंड न्यू आइडियाज़. टिल देन stay safe, stay healthy and stay updated. Bye.